Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your QiYi timer to CSTimer. First, make sure your QiYi timer is fully charged or has fresh batteries installed. Then, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the CSTimer website. Once there, you'll need to locate the timer connection settings, usually found within the Options or Settings menu. This initial setup ensures everything is ready for a smooth connection process. Next, physically connect your QiYi timer to your computer. Use the provided data cable to plug one end into the timer and the other into an available USB port on your computer. Your computer should recognize the device. You might see a small notification. If your browser asks for permission to access a USB device, be sure to grant it. This step establishes the hardware link between your timer and computer. Now let's configure CSTimer. Within the timer connection settings, you should see a list of available timers. Select QiYi timer from this list. After selecting, click the Connect button to establish the software link. To confirm the connection, simply start and stop your QiYi timer. The time should instantly appear on the CSTimer interface. This confirms a successful setup and allows you to begin timing. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. First, try using a different USB port or a different data cable. Sometimes, a simple port change can resolve connectivity problems. Also, ensure no other applications are trying to use the same USB port. If problems persist, restarting your web browser or even your computer can often help. Finally, check for any updated drivers for your QiYi timer online to ensure optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.